I wasn't going to go out and make a video today, but I decided to brave the cold and go across the street to do a video of Big Blue. And during the video, filming it, my camera started to freeze up. That's how cold it is outside. So I made a short video of Big Blue. Here it is.
Well, I wasn't going to come out and make a video today, but it warmed up to -5 and I decided to come and take a boo at Big Blue. Sitting here all by itself in the sunshine. So these tires are as tall as I am. This is one of the small mining trucks. It's frozen out here. Here's a Big Blue.